Hello, children. How are you today? I hope that you're feeling refreshed and relaxed following the half-term break. We're really excited to welcome foundation phase pupils back to school this week. We cannot wait to see you. Children in Key Stage 2, you are home learning for just a few more weeks, but we hope to welcome you back to class the week beginning the 15th of March. I've spent time over the half-term break reflecting on the past 12 months. One character strength that I think we've all needed to strengthen over all of the challenges of the past year is perseverance. What is perseverance? Well, other words that could mean perseverance are tenacity, grit, persistence, determination. Perseverance is working or trying hard to overcome obstacles, not giving up in the face of challenges. Boy, have we all had to do that over the past 12 months. Perhaps you could reflect on a time where you've had to show perseverance. There is another reason why I've chosen perseverance as the theme of today's assembly. I have been glued to the NASA website this week following the progress of the Perseverance rover. It landed on Mars on Thursday, the 18th of February. It's studying a region of Mars called the Jezero crater. This rover will answer lots of questions about Mars and search for signs of microbial life. Let's watch the historic moment that the Perseverance rover landed on Mars.
We are starting the straighten up and fly right maneuver in preparation for parachute deploy. The navigation has confirmed that the parachute has deployed and we are seeing significant deceleration. Skycrew maneuver has started. About 20 meters off the surface.
We're getting signals from MRO.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin singing the dance of past life.
Looks like we're getting the first image.
This is the most amazing thing. This is what NASA does. This is what we can do as a country.
Watching the Perseverance rover touch down on Mars reminded me of our Marsborough project, which took place nearly 12 months ago. Do you remember we had our own mission to Mars? Here's a video to remind you.
I don't know, there was a box in there just left on the floor. Just have a look round.
So I'm only taking from the box.
Good afternoon, I'm Amy Pitch, reporting from the ITV studios. We have been given some top secret government information from an inside source. It has been revealed today that a primary school in Cardiff that we now know to be Marlborough Primary School has been selected for a top secret mission to Mars. We understand that undercover agents have been attending the school for months now to see if it would be the right school to pioneer this new space adventure. We have been informed that one of the teachers has been sent on a secret mission to the observatory in London to find out information on Mars. We are yet to know what was discovered there. It is believed that this morning undercover agents went to the school and told the children of the adventure ahead of them. It is not yet confirmed whether all children will take part in the mission or whether children will be selected. Well, we'll keep you updated on this breaking news story. For now, thank you very much for listening. Goodbye. Before we get into what topic of Mark,
This is emergency.
I'm doing something.
No, I'm sorry.
You're going to talking, I'll see.
This is an emergency. This is an emergency. I have something here for you. Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning. I'm sorry to interrupt your assembly. Let me say, some of you might recognize me. I've been here before. And when I was here before, I was here in my undercover capacity. I was here because I had to find a school that could help with a very special mission. And it is your school that has been selected for this role. So, without me explaining anything further, I'm going to hand over to you, Mr. Foley, if you'd like to explain to the children.
Right, well, I don't know, you can take this. Mr. Pepper, what is it? What is it?
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you see me?
So much has changed since we filmed that 12 months ago. It was the last time that we were all together in the hall for an assembly. It was the last time that we were all together in the playground. We could still move freely around the school, for instance to the Mars Mission Control Centre, which had been set up in the meeting room, rather than stay contained in our small bubbles. It makes me so very proud to reflect on everything that we as a school community, you, the school staff, our governors and your parents have achieved since. You've all shown such amazing perseverance and kept on going despite all of the obstacles and challenges. I'd like you to notice times when you face challenges this week. Try and reframe these challenges as opportunities to further develop your perseverance. Just one last thing. Can you imagine the reaction from the NASA scientists when they realised that children from Marlborough visited Mars 12 months before the Perseverance robot? Have a great week, everybody.